Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. It is Monday. I'm kind of stressed out right now because something's going on at work where I'm kind of in trouble, so I have to go meet with somebody today to get my punishment. So I'm kind of scared, kind of nervous, but I am still going to go get a workout in to maybe release some anxiety because I'm so anxious right now. I can probably feel. I'm just calming down. So my dad told me before he left for work, he was like, Sierra, go put some of that aggression towards the workout. So that's what I'm going to do because I need to calm down. I need to calm down and cool down. So I'm gonna be okay. Everything's good, but I need to get through that. So yeah, today calls for a 2-mile run with my vest on and a chest and tricep workout. So it's about 10:40ish right now. So we're gonna go do that. Maybe release some stuff. And yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys probably during the weight workout. But I'm gonna run in my vest. I'm gonna put my shoes on. We're gonna get to go into this workout because I need to just let it all out. So that's what we're gonna do. Alrighty guys, so we are ready to go. So let's go get this workout in because I need to just get this anxiety out of me. So we are ready to go. I think we're gonna do 2 miles. 2 miles and then just in triceps like I told you guys. So let's get after it. Hey guys, what is going on? As you can see, we are back from the run. I've been back for like maybe almost 20-30 minutes. Hey buddy, I don't have you. I've been back for like 20-30 minutes, but I've been chilling, trying to again calm down. But I'm sweaty. I didn't realize how sweaty I was. See my back. See it, but I'm sweaty. But I'm about to make my lunch and then make a lift weights. But I'm gonna do 2-mile run in this bad boy. So yeah, let's get to making my lunch before I lift weights or before I decide to lift weights. So yeah, let's make my lunch. I don't know what I'm eating, but I'm hungry. But I need to finish working out first. So let's. Alrighty guys, and this is what my lunch is looking like. A salad, one of my favorite H-E-B meals, some chips to eat with those cheese, 2 cheese sticks, oatmeal, and a Cliff Bar. The only thing you guys are not seeing in there in my food for the day, which is about 1,520 calories, is I'm going to make one of these. See if we have any more. We do. I'm gonna make one of these with some of that when I'm done working out with some BCA. So that is gonna be my lunch. I need to go ahead and put it in my lunchbox so it doesn't get cold. But let's go lift some weights because I have about 30 minutes before I need to get ready. So let's go lift weights. Got my lunch made and it's gonna be weight time. Guys, so I just finished my chest and tricep workout, and now we're gonna go inside and get ready for work again. Calming down. Because it could be a big day at work because I did something and then I got in trouble for it and I probably shouldn't have. Oh, whatever. With that being said, let's get ready for work and let's get a smoothie and get ready for work so we can get this over with. Guys, smoothie made and it's time to get ready for work. Guys, so we are all ready for work. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lunch and then I'm gonna go to work. So let's go to work and I will catch you guys in the car or when I get to work after, whichever one. But I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Hi B, say good morning to the video. Good morning. Come on. Good morning guys, welcome back to the video. I forgot to end the video from yesterday, so we're just gonna make the video 2 days. I'm watching YouTube. So welcome back to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys throughout the video some more. Bed is made. Task 1 of the day complete. So I am hungry, so we're gonna eat before I run or work out because it is 9:33. I'm gonna work out in about 11ish. So let's go eat. I think I'm gonna make an egg sandwich or eggs and bacon. I don't know, but I'm hungry. And I'm tired. I'm hoping my coffee wakes me up. So, with that being said, let's go make some food. And I had a new kind of low weigh and I weighed 185 today. So let's go make some food. Guys, so I told you I was gonna go eat, but I'm not gonna go eat. I'm gonna go ahead and work out because I don't want to work out with eggs and cheese in my stomach because it just sounds miserable. Who's that? B! Is that you? Come on! Come on! Come on, B! So I was gonna work out, but I didn't want to work out with all that in my stomach. So I think we're about to go work out. But let's go see what I need to, what my workout is for today. Today is Tuesday, so we have a 3-mile run and back and biceps. So let's get after that.
So Brandon does this thing where every time he like can't find something or wants to show me something, he's like, "Brittany, come here, get out of bed so I can show you."
Oh yeah, Brittany, I can just show you the
Well,
massive.
no, that's what I'm saying. So normally you're like, "Brittany, come here," and I'm like, "You don't need me to come there."
I love you. Come. I'm just trying to get ready to run, and your cute self comes in here, right, buddy? Your toe wiggling. I love you, baby.
Oh man.
Hey, I love you, boy. Yeah, I love you. Guys, what is going on? I just ran 3 miles. It's been about 15, 20, 30 minutes. I haven't got done running, but I had to cool down because I'm so hot. I sweat out over the floor, but I'm getting some water now because I'm thirsty, and I'm about to go lift weights. So let's get to drinking some water and lifting weights, and I'll see you guys in a second. guys, what is going on? I just got done doing biceps and back. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, let's go inside because it's kind of bright out here. So let's go inside and make my lunch or make food because I haven't ate anything all day and it's like through my mouth and it was like stomach acid. So let's take everything inside. I'm out of breath. I did it. I got a good workout in day. But let's take everything inside and let's go get something to eat and get ready for work. You know what time it is. Use code CR10 to save yourself 15% off. And Nike said, yeah, use the code. And also, use code, let's go in here. Let's check it out. So, all caps CR10 for Unico. And go check out some pack leashes and their products because they're so good. And use your code St. Clair Dogs. Z instead of S at the end of dogs. And I'll put everything in the description, so go check it out. But we need to eat because I'm hungry. Alright guys, so I am finally eating something. I made a sandwich with hams, a little bit of turkey, a slice of cheese, and this cool bread from HEB, and I make my lunch. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat this and get some chips because I want some chips, and we're gonna get ready for work. So let's do it, boys. Right? Let's do it. Alright guys, what is going on? I'm off work now and I'm going to go ahead and end the video. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I hope you enjoyed it. And check the link down in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.